Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sadia Sami. I am your teacher from Junior Boys section morning. How are you all? Hope fine and enjoying your time. Students, today we are going to learn about singular and plural. Let's start our lesson. Singular nouns are those nouns or naming words that denote a single entity. ऐसे अल्फाज जो हमें किसी एक चीज़ का बताएं वो सिंगुलर होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल चेयर, बॉय, पार्क. नाउ I will tell you about plural nouns. Plural nouns are those nouns or naming words that denote more than one of a kind. ऐसे अल्फाज जो हमें किसी चीज़ की एक से ज़्यादा क्वांटिटी के बारे में बताएं वो प्लूरल कहलाते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल बॉयज़, puppies, things. Now I will tell you how to make plural form of singular word. For making plural form of a singular word, we mostly add s at the end of singular word. एक सिंगुलर वर्ड की प्लूरल फॉर्म बनाने के लिए हम सिंगुलर वर्ड के एंड पे एस ऐड करते हैं. नाउ वी विल लुक एट सम वर्ड्स फॉर बेटर अंडरस्टैंडिंग. आवर फर्स्ट वर्ड इज एग. एग इज अ सिंगुलर वर्ड as it is one in number. Plural form of egg is eggs, which means more than one egg. Take another example. Our second word is flower. Flower is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of flower is flowers, which means more than one flower. Now come to the third example, and our third word is girl, which means one girl. Plural form of girl is girls, which means more than one girl. Look at the fourth word. Our fourth word is boat. Boat is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of boat is boats, which means more than one boat. Now we will look at fifth word. Fifth word is snake. Snake is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of snake is snakes, which means more than one snake. Take another example. Our sixth example is shop. Shop is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of shop is shops, which means more than one shop. Children, come to the seventh example. And seventh word is pot, which means one pot. Plural form of pot is pots, which means more than one pot. Look at the eighth word. Our eighth word is hand. Hand is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of hand is hands, which means more than one hand. Now we will look at ninth word. Ninth word is window. Window is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of window is windows, which means more than one window. Dear students, take another example. Our 10th word is pencil. Pencil is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of pencil is pencils, which means more than one pencil. Now come to the 11th word. Our 11th word is boy, which means one boy. Plural form of boys, boys, which means more than one boy. Look at the 12th word. Our 12th word is tiger. Tiger is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of tiger is tigers, which means more than one tiger. Now we will look at the 13th word. Our 13th word is book. Book is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of book is books, which means more than one book. Take another example. Our 14th example is fan. Fan is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of fan is fans, which means more than one fan. Now come to the last example. Our last word is spoon. Spoon is a singular word as it is one in number. Plural form of spoon is spoons, which means more than one spoon. And that's all. Hope you have understood this lesson. Thank you. Take care and learn these singular plurals at home. Allah Hafiz.